Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate images or videos using Pollo AI. I'm not sure if it's Polo or Pollo because it's in, I think Spanish. But basically, you're either going to select this or this to create a video or generate an image. I'll just do an image. I basically typed in ChatGPT, make me a prompt in Spanish for an image of a cute cat on the beach. Obviously, you can do anything else. I don't know if I have any. I think I don't have credits for this, but you can also select like the kind of like type of image you want for it, like realistic or not. I think this would look cute. I'm not sure if I can show you the end result. Okay, I do have to log in, but that is pretty much it really. That's how you can use basically any AI image generator, video generator, and whatnot. But I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.